You're on my screen, looking at the roadmap. As part of this course, today we will look at creating the basic infrastructure required for any ingestion pipelines on AWS. Right on the screen, you see AWS Lambda, IAM role, and S3 bucket. For example, or for instance, if you bring in data onto public cloud into the S3 bucket, and you want to play with the data, you want to modify data, or you want to do any kind of analytics or any kind of work with the data, you need a compute, you need servers, right? So AWS Lambda is something, it's a serverless compute. So you only pay for the milliseconds when you execute the piece of code, the Python code or any code, right? So you place a Python code in this Lambda as a Lambda function, and that code will go and read and do some kind of, logics over the data and do whatever right inside the data, all that stuff. So for this AWS Lambda to work with S3 bucket, it needs access, and that access is granted via IAM role. And this role has the permissions and policies for this Lambda to work with the S3 bucket.